Hi, my name is Paul Torrens and I'm running the blog directordefotografia.com. Today we're talking about lighting, and we're going to show how to light a very typical scene. We have two characters here which are talking to each other. So we're going to do the typical over-the-shoulder shot. So we have a camera over here, which is a big sensor camera with a 50mm lens. So the background is going to be totally out of focus and pointed on the main character every time. So when we shoot this kind of scenes, we have two characters talking to each other. We have an imaginary line between them. We cannot cross the line with the camera in order to have it correct. So using this kind of shot, we're going to put the camera over here. So we have this over the shoulder. And then for the other shot, we will have it on the other side, but without crossing the line. So all the time, it's going to be on this side of the scene. So that's on the camera part, but for doing the lighting of this kind of scenes, Hollywood uses normally the same technique, which is putting all the lights on the other side of the line. I mean, on this side of the line is going to be the camera, and on the other side of the line, it's going to be the light. So for that reason, we have on this side of the line, we just crossed the line, one softbox, a regular one, pointing straight to one character. And on the other side, but on the same path of this line, is going to be the other softbox, pointing to the other character. Using this, what we have, it's a very nice lighting, volumetric lighting to the character. So we can have half of the face with light and half of the face on shadows. And the shadows are on this side of the line, which is the side where the camera is. On the other hand, talking about the background and how it's lit, we have a totally plain wall over here, which is very boring, especially for having this kind of close-ups. So what we did is to create a kind of blinds, and this is done using this light, which is the Dedolight with a projector and with a gobo inside. With this thing, we can create different textures and different things. Like for example, now it's out of focus, but if I move this, we can see how it gets totally in focus. On the other side of the room, we have already some texture. So in order to create a little bit of mood, what we did is put a small Dedolight just to push a little bit the light over there. Finally, if we need to do a wide shot, what we're going to do is to fake the position of them and put it a little bit closer, one to each other, and put the lights as far as we can, so we can maintain the distance between them. And now it's time to shoot. Thank you very much.